Investing in Raiz through the aggressive portfolio is a strategy designed for growth-focused investors willing to accept higher risk for potentially higher returns. The aggressive portfolio allocates a larger portion of funds to equities, both domestic and international, exposing your investments to the growth of global markets. By consistently contributing to this portfolio, even small amounts, you can leverage the power of compounding over time. Start by setting a regular investment schedule. Consistency is critical. Even investing $50 or $100 per week can accumulate significantly over the years. The key is not the size of the individual contribution, but the discipline of continuous investment. Take advantage of Raiz's automated roundup feature, which invests your spare change. This adds a seamless layer of passive investing without disrupting your regular budget. Diversification is built into the aggressive portfolio. It spreads exposure across Australian shares, global shares, and a smaller portion in fixed income. This balances risk while maximizing growth potential. Keeping a long-term perspective is crucial, especially in volatile markets. Market fluctuations are expected, but history shows that staying invested tends to produce stronger returns over time. Regularly reviewing your portfolio and performance within the Raiz app helps you stay informed. Avoid reacting impulsively to short-term market movements, as this can hinder growth. Reinvesting dividends and profits ensures that your money continues working for you. Tax efficiency also plays a role. Raiz automatically handles capital gains and dividend distributions, simplifying the process and keeping your returns as high as possible. The aggressive portfolio is designed for investors seeking long-term capital growth. With disciplined contributions, automated investing, and a focus on growth assets, Raiz's aggressive strategy provides a structured pathway to potentially maximize returns. Starting early, staying consistent, and letting compounding work over time positions investors to achieve significant wealth accumulation through this approach.